Have you ever wondered why hygiene control is so important in factory? It's not only about keeping the workplace clean. A proper hygiene solution can directly affect product quality, factory standards, and even the ability to export products internationally. First, hygiene solutions help protect product quality. Dust, insects, outside air, and other contamination can easily enter production and storage areas if they are not properly controlled. Using the right solutions help create a cleaner and more controlled environment, reducing the risk of contamination and protecting the quality of your products. Second, factories need proper hygiene control to support industry and food safety standards. A clean and controlled production environment makes it easier for factory to follow hygiene requirements, prepare for audits, and maintain consistent operating conditions. It's not just about installing equipment, it's about creating a proper hygiene control system. And third, good hygiene management can help your business reach international markets. When exporting products overseas, customers and business partners often expect factories to meet strictly quality and hygiene requirements. The better your production environment is controlled, the stronger your factory's ability to build trust and compete in international markets. A clean factory doesn't only look better, it helps create better products, better standards, and better opportunities for your business. If your factory is looking for the right hygiene solution, contact 𝗵𝗺𝗏 for consultation and site survey. 𝗵𝗺𝗏 Solutions for a cleaner and more efficient factory.